Good morning, everyone. I'm Angel Galpo and I'm your teacher today. And today you will be learning about transportation. Now, what is transportation? Transportation is simply the way we move things and people from one place to another. Transportation has been a driving force in human history, shaping our civilization, economies, and way of life. From early animal-powered cars to supersonic jets, the methods we use to move ourselves and goods have constantly evolved. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of transportation from its humble beginning to its exciting future. We can broadly categorize transportation into three primary modes or the types of transportations. We have the air, land, water. The modes relies on aircrafts ranging from small private planes to commercial airlines connecting continents and facilitating global travel. Now we have also the land. The most common form encompassing everything from walking, cycling to vehicles like cars, trucks, trains, and motorcycles. And the last is water. These modes utilize boat shapes and submarine for traversing oceans, rivers, lakes, crucial for international trade and transportation. Before the advent of modern technology, humans relied on various methods to move themselves and their belongings. So this includes the early methods of transportation. We have the animal power, the human power, and watercraft. So in animal power, those are the domesticated animals like horses and camels were used for pulling carts, wagons, and sleds. And in human power, walking, running, and carrying loads were common for short distances. So in human power, in early age, human power is they use human as a transportation of goods to travel or to transport from one place to another. And we have also the watercraft. Early boats, canoes, rafts were used for navigating rivers and seas. Transportation is the backbone of global trade. It allows the exchange goods and services between different regions, fostering economic growth and globalization without efficient transportation system. The world would be fragmented and isolated, limiting trade opportunities. Now, how transportation affects trade? First, makes trade possible. Imagine if we couldn't move things. What happened to us? So it makes this transportation affects trades. We'd only be able to buy things made close to us. Transportations let's get product from faraway places like electronics, like mobiles from other countries. Next, number 2 is lower cost. Efficient transportation keeps costs down. Truck, trains, and ships can move large amounts of goods quickly and cheaply. So price is lower. And then number 3, make more choices. So transportations will give us more choices so we can find we can find all kinds of products from other countries, from other or different countries. And the number 4 is businesses grow. So business can use transportation to reach more people. They can sell things to other towns, cities, and even countries, making more money and creating jobs. And the number 5, the last, the new markets. Transportation helps open up a new markets. Transportation allows them to sell their products to bigger cities and reach a wider audience. Okay. As we have more cars and planes, we need to know the traffic rules and road safety. The traffic rules and road safety, we have the traffic lights, seat belts, road signs, and speed limits. Okay, traffic lights. As we traffic lights, this show us or tell us when to stop and go. Okay, and we have also the road signs. As you can see here, there are so many road signs. We have to stop. We have including the speed limit and no littering around. Okay, these signs it shows us where to go or what to do and how fast to drive. Next is the seat belt. So this is the seat belt sign. So seat belt. So this keep us safe in cars, or when we're driving cars, we should wear seat belts. And the last is the speed limit. So speed limit signs, they tell us how fast we can go so we don't have accidents. The future of transportation promises exciting advancement driven by technological innovation and environment concern. Okay, so the future of transportation, so we have the space travel and electric cars. Space travel is private companies like Spaceship X are developing reusable spacecraft for space tourism, and for that we might travel to the moon and explore Mars someday. And electric cars, electric cars transportation, it is like electric cars, motorcycles are giving popularity due to their eco-friendly nature and potential for reducing carbon emissions. Transportation is a big part of our world. It changed how we live and work. It helps us explore new places and connect with others. It's amazing that we have moved from walking to flying to the star. That's all, and thank you.